My name is Josh Bordas. I'm from Pocomoke City, Maryland. This is a 2008 Ram 2500. It has a built 6.7 in it with a 475 dual ball bearing 96 on the manifold and a 594 Atmo charger. I run it on fuel only, no nitrous, and it has a 48 RE full manual valve body that was built by me in it. And most of the time with the truck, I'm not a drag racer. I'm a dirt guy. I like the dirt drag. I like the sled pull. I love the dirt. That's just what I am and how I always been. I started sled pulling in 2015 and took many championships over the years, got out of it for a year, and my wife kicked me in the butt and said, let's build another truck. And this one came up. It was already partially put together, and last year for KOS, 4 days before we bought the truck, and I threw it together and ran it last year, and then did a bunch of work to it over winter and stuff to get it ready for this year, and hopefully we have a good weekend with it.
Now, how many years have you been doing KOS?
This would be my third year running KOS. I ran KOS 19, which is when I met my wife, and then I ran it last year and this year with this truck. KOS 19 was in my old pulling truck, which I still have.
All right, so what do you enjoy most about KOS?
Honestly, the people, like a lot of the competitors I've known for years, but we're all either run shops, own shops, or just general people that we don't see all the time. So KOS brings us all together because it's like a big family event. We're just here having fun. When you come to the starting lines at the dirt drags or the drag strip, the sled pull, we're all talking crap on each other, like especially if we line up against each other, and it's like, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? And it's just a good time.
What's your favorite thing?
Definitely the dirt. I'm not gonna pick sled pulling or dirt drag because I love them both.
Okay. Give me a little bit of walk around your truck.
So this is the shop that I run here in Pocomoke, Maryland. It's Ironshore Repair. Like I said, this is a non-deck plate 6.7. Has a side draft head on it that's ported with bigger valves. Has Flux 300% injectors. April hooked me up with them this year. It has two 12mm DDP pumps on it. It has a DDP ported fuel rail on it. I mean, it's pretty simple. And it's still a leaf spring truck. It's not a 4-link or anything like that. The interior is a mess, but it's pretty basic. It's a street truck. It has a full interior in it, still has a back seat in it, no cage, no roll bar.
Cool, so did you go on the dyno today yet?
Yeah, we did go on the dyno.
How did you do?
Not as good as I would have hoped. It only made 1140. Usually this truck will make 1500 depending on the air, from what we've found since I changed the stuff on the truck, but it is what it is. We'll just make up for it in the dirt, hopefully.
That's later tonight, right?
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Tomorrow morning we do 8th mile drag racing, which obviously I don't have a cage or a roll bar, so I can't run the truck to anywhere near its potential. But then tomorrow night at 7 we start dirt drags, and then that's where I can turn it up and have fun.